Adversity to installing the starter on this 2005 Ford Taurus. Only had 2 bolts that actually connected the starter, bolted the starter to the engine compartment, and had to take off the positive cable on the battery, and there was another connection going to a fuse section. Took the nut off of that. I ended up splitting the wire and added it to the new starter. This took about maybe a couple of hours. I didn't have a lot of space to work with as far as turning getting the bolts off. It was one turn at a time until I got it off, and very little space to work with. I did it from the top and the bottom to get both bolts off. And once you got them off, it's a matter of connecting the new wiring and putting it back where it goes, and trying to hold it and get the bolts in. That was a little difficult, but it finally went in. And you got to make sure those starters, you have to set them side by side, the old one and the new one. Make sure it looks exactly the same. I changed this starter about a year ago. Something happened to it, and the warranty ran out, so I ended up getting another one. But the first one that they gave us about a year ago, it did not match, so I had to take it back, and the second one matched. But I had to make sure that this starter looked like the one that I was taking off, and it did. And to get it back on, you're back under and the top to get the starter back on. So adversity to installing the starter on this 2005 Ford Taurus. Adversity 2 is going to be taking out this starter in this 2005 Ford Taurus. I believe it's just 2 bolt starters right down here. If I can, right there. And there's a bolt. There's a bolt here. My finger is the one right under that underneath. And disconnecting the cable here, the positive side, the battery. I'm going to do that first. Have the new starter here. Open it up and see what we got here. Put it on the floor. It's very small. I just need to make sure things line up. There's the harness. Trying to pull this back off the harness that's going down there so I can get it loose. $13mm socket. Put a swivel on it. Had to get my baby ratchet. Wasn't enough space. Got the top one out. The bottom one was a little tighter. So I used my heavy duty 3/4 ratchet adapter to get it out. I didn't see the other wire attached here to the solenoid. So we're gonna I was making sure everything matched. Making sure last time I don't think this was on there, but this is the right one. was making sure everything matched. Making sure last time I don't think this was on there. But this is the right one. I don't have my heat shrink, but I'm going to cut this and strip it. That cable I'm going to take in. Putting everything back where I got it. Put everything back where you got it. Get out of there, boo. Don't pull that out. Huh? Tighten everything back. Anyway, have the new starter in. It's been running pretty good.